Hello, let me show you the best features, some tips and tricks for Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro. So first of all, I'm going to show you all these features that you can find in your device, but also a few of them are available only in the Mi Fitness application. So first of all, when you swipe up, you can for sure enter for this All Apps menu. And when you click right here, we can find the training load. So this is the new application. And when you scroll down, you can even check your VO2 Max. And what is also really useful, by tapping on this small information icon, you can actually get a description of every parameter like that. And also some points, how you can actually use, how you can actually find your VO2 Max. But of course, you can apply it for any other options. Next, we can also check right here the heart rate, the same with the blood oxygen level. There's also sleep tracker. We are also able to measure stress level. And when you scroll down, there's also this cycles tracking. And right here, we can even find this remote shutter. So we can take the photos by using this camera. But currently in my version, it's actually not working. So probably in the next updates, they're gonna fix this. But right now, it is just not working properly. And there's also the flashlight. And in my opinion, this is like the best functions, the best apps. But when we go into settings, we can also find some other useful options. Like for example, in this device, we can find always on display, and we can even change between different themes. There's also some quick gestures, so we can rotate your wrist or shake wrist, but there's actually not a lot of functions. So we can only reject call, open weather application, or ignore call or notification, and it actually looks the same for the shake wrist. So currently it's not like super useful. There's also an option to set the pin lock, so you can protect your device, and that's basically it from our band. Now when you go into the Mi Fitness application, we can start by going into notifications. So for sure you can receive calls, you can receive notifications, and right here you can even set custom number for app notifications. So you can decide from which one you want to or you don't want to receive notifications. Then when you go for the fitness and health, we can find continuous heart rate monitoring and high and low heart rate alerts. For the sleep tracker, we can even enable advanced monitoring to track our heart rate and REM sleep stages and breathing rate. When you go into blood oxygen level, we can also turn on all day tracking and low blood oxygen alerts. In this place, we can also do the same for stress, so we can get all day and relax reminder. We can also find here the vitality score settings, and there's also option to change our daily goals for calories, steps, and moving. When you go below, we can find some apps like the music player, but of course you can only control the playback from your phone. So there's like no option to upload music into Band 9 Pro. You can only control playback of your phone. We can also set alarms, and you can actually create up to 10 different alarms. In this device, when you go into into security, I just show you that you can also set the password, but right here, when you create a password and you forgot this password, you are able to actually bypass. So you can actually turn it off by using your phone. And when you go into health tab, you can find here all of your health data, including, for example, sleep. And there's also a way to actually change some, sleep duration. For example, you can even add date manually if you forgot to wear your band when you are going to sleep. So when you go to the profile, we can also find connection with the third-party data. But looks like, okay, right now it is just not working because I'm not connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, but you can connect this device into Strava application and into Google Feed. And in my opinion, that's like all the features, the best features that you can actually find on this device. So that will be all.